Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple programming. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. From this video, I am starting a brand new series on React with Typescript. I am starting this series on demand of my viewers on YouTube. They are demanding that I should start a new series on React with Typescript. For that, for better understanding React with Typescript, I already uploaded a separate playlist on Typescript also. So if you don't know Typescript, so first of all you should learn the Typescript from my playlist. Then you come on this video, and if you already know Typescript, so it's better to start here. So from this video, I'm just explaining you how you can set up or how you can create a Typescript template in a React for starting your application in React with Typescript. So let us start first. So you have to write npx, then create React app, then you have to give the name of the application. So I say learn Typescript, learn Typescript, learn Typescript. Then we have to give here command line argument is called template, means the parameter, the template, and we have to give the value to this template as a Typescript. So here we are telling to the npx that we want a React application. The name of the application is learn Typescript, and then we have the option here, the template. With the help of hyphen template, we are giving a option that we want Typescript template, we don't want JavaScript template by default. So as I just press enter, and it will download all the templates and it give you the first application that will run the React application using Typescript. So it has been installed now. Now we have to reach to the folder learn Typescript like this, and then we have to start npm start. Now you see we have an output, the first page of the React application, and remember here that we have a one change. In place of JSX we have a TSX. Let's understand the structure of this also. You see that in this folder we have learn Typescript, under this we have the src folder, and in this folder you see that we have all the file. In place of JSX component we have a TSX. T means the Typescript. Here index also we have a Typescript. So all the file is now based on Typescript template. We do not have a JSX, all we have the TSX here. Now we can do some modification also. So I just select this and I remove this, the default page, and I remove this logo also, no need of this, and I just here type h2 and I say welcome to Dr. Vipin Classes for learning React with Typescript, like this. Then we can also write some other data that we also have 40 plus other playlist for learning Android, Kotlin, React and etc. Like that we have this, and I save this, and if you will see after compilation we will see the output. You see welcome to Dr. Vipin Classes for learning React with the Typescript. We also have 40 plus other playlists for learning Android, Kotlin, React and etc. So we can do this also, and we just modify this application, and now my first application with Typescript is ready. So first application with the Typescript is ready. In next video we will see how we can create other components and how we can learn how to pass simple properties, advanced properties and event as a properties. So other things, so many other things we are going to learn one by one with React with the Typescript. I think you learned something from this video. If you learn, Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.